Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious pasta salad. It's filled with lots of vegetables and it's super tasty. So let's get cooking.
Thank you!
Believe it or not, but the olive is a fruit. It's not a vegetable. Olives can come in a variety of colours. They can be green, black, a dark brown, even slightly pink. Olive trees are evergreen. They can live up to 2,000 years.
What?
There are over 800 million olive trees worldwide. The average lifespan of an olive tree is between 200 and 300 years old.
That's an old tree.
One of the oldest olive trees is on the island of Crete in Greece. It's about 4,000 years old and it's still growing fruit. Olive branches are a symbol of peace. What? It's true. Throughout history, people gave their enemies olive branches to declare a truce. Listen, I don't want to fight anymore. There's the olive branch. Olive branches were also used for crowning the champions at the Olympic Games in the past. This was revived during the 2004 Olympic Games in Athens.
Sounds interesting.
Olive oil comes from olives. I know. An olive contains 20% oil.
Miss G say what?
Olives are filled with oils, minerals and vitamins, including vitamin A, B, E, K. That's a lot of vitamins. It also contains omega-3 and omega-6, which is really beneficial for our bodies. It helps prevent heart disease. It lowers our cholesterol and our blood pressure. It even helps reduce aging.
What?
It strengthens our immune system to fight off bad bacteria.
Thank you!
The lemon is a fruit from a citrus plant.
Sounds interesting.
The origins of the lemon are unknown. It's believed to have started to growth in northeast India, northern Burma, or China. Lemons entered Europe near southern Italy during the 2nd century during the ancient Roman Empire.
Wow.
The average lifespan of a lemon tree is 50 years. If the lemon tree is looked after properly and diseases are prevented, it can live up to 100 years.
Miss G say what?
The health benefits to eating lemons are endless. They contain iron, zinc, magnesium, calcium, copper, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin E. I can go on. It's just so good. These help prevent constipation, indigestion, fever,
Hot.
as well as improving our skin, hair, and teeth. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload weekly cookery videos where I teach you guys at home how to cook delicious recipes and inform you on some interesting vegetable facts. Subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.